Oh, traders, I did this video yesterday, and in the video I talked about, if this traded back up, from this point here back up to this level here, we could look for a possible short if it wiggles around, and gives us a bit of volatility and then breaks structure. Well, I think this is out of the question at the moment, given the sudden shift in the markets with Trump changing his tune with this 90-day delay on tariffs and what have you, so that the stock market's rallied. And like if we go out of here, say to a daily, possibly, I mean, it's quite possible that the stock markets could continue to rally, and we could be looking at this up here as a target area if things stay on track. I mean, look, it's an incredibly difficult market at the moment, and hard to predict. I mean, that looked like it was going to be short. I was looking for the pullback and continuation, but this business yesterday has thrown a bit of a spanner in the works. So what I'm looking at the moment is we just go back out of here a little bit. It's possible that we could see the markets rally for a bit on the back of this decision by Trump to delay tariffs, possibly. All right. So if that's the case, then I'd be looking at this from a different perspective. Let's just take that out. In fact, let's get rid of all the drawings. On the 4-hour time frame now, I'm looking for, given that we have this shift here, right? Shift in the trend, bit of a break. And now I'm going to be looking for the possibility that this continues up. So look for a pullback and potential continuation. We do have an imbalance up here that could be a target. All right. So I think if it pulls back into this level down here, if you go to the 15-minute time frame, maybe a 30, let's go to a 30-minute. Yeah, I'd be looking for this to continue bullish, possibly over the next little while anyway. So what we have here is an imbalance on this time frame. That could be a target for this to pull back. I'm always going to use a Fibonacci retrace, pull it from the low to the high. Let's try it again. Hang on. Fibonacci, yeah, low to high, pull back into equilibrium, and the 50 and 61.8 coincides with this imbalance, right? So that could be a play. If it pulls back down in here, then I'm going to be looking for this to rotate and give me a potential break of structure, something like that. All right, guys, look, I would really love you to comment, share your thoughts on this, and leave a comment below. That would be awesome. All right, so that's my plan with this at the moment. All right, but yeah, be careful. All right, guys. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.